Hey Jans, my name is Shambhavi and today I did this very beautiful moonlight makeup look. I created a beautiful half moon liner and I fill it with the yellow color to look like it's a moon. I tried to make it fun and I put some glitter on the eyes for the twinkle and the shine. I was so in the vibe and the mood that I created a beautiful fun look. To see how I created this look, let's roll into the main content.
Hi! First I'll use primer little bit more on nose and the upper lip because I tend to sit a lot on those areas, and whatever is left I'll use it on the rest of my face. Next I'll use Maybelline foundation in shade number 230. I just purchased this for my everyday use and I'm checking the shade. It is a perfect shade match for me, but right now I'm a way tanner in comparison with my real complexion, but still it's a perfect match for me. I'm blending it with a brush and then I'll use a heavy concealer to conceal my under eyes. I'll use it under my eyes, over the mobile lid and onto my mustache area because I tend to set a lot and foundation used to come off very easily, so a tighter creamier formula will not come off that easy. I'll set my base with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in shade number warm nude. I'll bake under the eye with the same powder and then I'll buff it all over my face. And some dance move that nobody ordered for. With a liquid liner, first I'll do a simple wing, then without giving any angle, I'll flick the liner inward up to the crease. I just sketch the idea of what I want, then I'll define the shape even more. It is better to do steps little by little in order to not mess with the base. Remember, use a thinner flexible liner brush. Finer tip will help you to sketch the idea and the flexible bristles will help you to draw any desirable shape you want. And it's okay if the line is not perfect or little uneven. We will fix it with the black eyeshadow. I'll use an angular brush and stamp the color on top of the liner and fix the line and make it even. And I'm really sorry for my broken glued mirror. Instead of giveaway, I should host takeaway. That kind of garib makeup artist I am. Now with a smaller dome-shaped blending brush, I'll diffuse the color and with the deeper brown eyeshadow, I'll make the line even more defined, deeper, smokier and diffused from one color to another. I'm holding the brush very close because I want to have control over what I'm doing. Still holding the brush very lightly because I want the colors to have a beautiful blend. I'm just sweeping the brushes back and forth because I don't want to ruin the shape what I have created earlier. Now with the fluffy brush, I'll blend the very edge of the liner to have a very beautiful blend. And I'm not going inside the liner, just on the outside. Next I'll use a very muted yellow, just moon-like yellow. I'll stamp the color inside the liner. Do it very carefully. We do not want to mess with the shape we have created. I'll use a white eyeshadow in the inner V of the mobile lid and stamp the color with the brush and simply gonna diffuse it with my finger. On top of that, I'll put some loose silver glitter for a hint of shine. My facial features are looking kind of flat, so I'll contour my nose in the most natural way possible. And I didn't contour under my cheeks, so I'm going a little bit ham on blush, and I wanted this look to be very youthful, joyful and happy. Next I'll use a little bit of highlighter here and there on the highest part of my face. I'll use a very nude lip liner to line my lips. Then I'll fill it in with the pink lip liner as a lipstick. I'll brush my brows. I'm not really doing anything with the shape because I have a very blunt edge of the eyebrow pencil and I don't have any sharpener to sharpen it. I'll curl my lashes with the lash curler. And I'll apply a very generous coat of mascara. This completes the whole look. I hope you all enjoyed this look. See you all in my next video and thanks for watching.